College Unifibro session pan. Kan hebde kadai ka work interview kabde nam ta ki post jong ka staff eSEWA Kendra kabde po Nongstoin West Khasi IIills district purely on contractual basis. Kan mau kini di contractual basis tang ka we ka post. Te kadai be ka walk in interview, direct interview. Kan mau syura I dokumen lek direct we ketua sengi ra ki serok e bro ka form standard form ada pendap ra lek ya ketua sengi don kam mansiu di mandraf don kami kita kumba phasiu itu we post. Te kan play kum kan applications are hereby invited and interested candidates who are eligible, who are citizens of India to appear and walk-in interview for the post of staff on contractual basis at eSEWA Kendra to the office of the district and session Judge West Khasi IIills district Nongstoin, for district court Nongstoin hi phaban like namta kaneka interview. The post is purely on contractual basis for a period of 1 year. Keteng your post ke staff at eSEWA Kendra, number of posts tangkaway, ka TULOP ka khasana jar shibanai, qualification de benda ka graduate, but PGDCA kane ki pan naga PGDCA hakui district ki pan kamu yang ki pan naga PGDCA or its equivalent with 55% aggregate mark from a government recognized university ke age David Khatpra du live news SNEM ka job profile ngan don kam ban batai ki kam ke dai ban train nam ta kane kam ka venue ke dai district and session judge West Khasi IIills district ka date ke dai artarik jong upanai agos kan mau khap lek ha kane ka sngi ra ki dokumen xerox ke application yang pik bala pendap standard form la banyo na kedukan zero pendap tak kadur kijon kambaro tesalek hak artrik jong na agos arjarap saw kapor ban registration kedai shipo baje mesti pada shipo sedang pen poi katu kapor ko biang piabra angte artlik dor passport size baro pihak self attested kita ki dokumen yang pi zero and ra rangkar batki original tesalek hak katu katarik balabu ya ka result kalis jong ki bala syak select in sapen mi pok official website jong kaneka district and session judge West Khasi IIills district Nongstoin. Tangine hi kijing tip kule jubun.